Mga ka-Nose! Welcome sa akong YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. I'm your barista, Michael Rangiesto. And for today's episode, mga must-try and bestsellers for the second branch, Mr. J Milk Tea Shakes Juices, Iloilo, GT Mall Molo branch. Mr. J Milk Tea Shakes Juices, Iloilo. Sit back and relax with these refreshing drinks and their homemade all-time favorite foods here in Iloilo City. For delivery options, they're also available via Maxim Iloilo PH and Food Panda app. They're located at GT Mall Molo, second level Food Hub, Iloilo City. For fullest of menus and other details, I'll provide description down below. And this episode is sponsored by Mr. J Milk Tea Shakes Juices, Iloilo. And disclaimer lang mga Nos, is my own opinion and my own standards when it comes to brand or taste review. Before anything else mga Nos, please do watch my 2 episodes when it comes to their products for their brand. I'll provide description down below, link dito sa taas. Like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. At para always kayo notified sa my latest episodes ko, just click the notification bell icon. At kapag may nakita yung skip ads, ilang seconds or ilang minutes, huwag niyo pong skip. Malaking tulong na yun sa aking channel. This is chicken ala king for 55 pesos. It has a good balance of well-toasted bread, also for its essence for chicken ala king. Very distinctive yung overall flavors, especially for its savory and delicious chicken. These are lumpia for 5 pieces for 49 pesos. For this dish, it has an excellent crispiness for its wrapper and also siksik to sa laman when it comes to their meats and other ingredients, matched with its delicious sweet chili sauce for their lumpia. These are pork siomai for 3 pieces for 25 pesos. For their siomai wrap, it has a good texture and softness and also for its distinctive pork essence. These are bacon wrapped siomai for 3 pieces for 48 pesos. For this special siomai, it has an excellent quality for its bacon wrap and also for its siomai essence. This is cheesecake per milk tea for large size, 115 pesos. Well balanced yung overall flavors and also for its sugar level, especially for its right texture and sweetness for its cheesecake and distinctive tea essence for this product. Cream cheese per milk tea for large size, 110 pesos. For this drink, it has a smooth texture, most especially for its cream cheese and also for its excellent quality for its tea essence. It's a grape smoothie for large size, 125 pesos. For this drink, it has an exquisite smoothness, most especially for its smoothie texture. Very natural and authentic in flavors, most especially for its grapes. These are yogurt strawberry smoothie for large size, 125 pesos. For this drink, ito na-surprise ako kasi hindi siya nag-overpower sa tamis ng strawberry and also for its bitter taste for yogurt. It has a light taste for its overall flavors for this product. These are Okinawa milk tea for large size, 90 pesos. Very present yung Okinawa tea essence, earthy size yung tea essence, most especially for its Okinawa flavor. Wintermelon milk tea for large size, 90 pesos. For this drink, hindi nag-overpower yung sweetness when it comes sa Wintermelon essence. Mas lalong ma-appreciate yung overall flavors for its sweetness, tea, and also for its pearls. These are caramel milk tea for large size, 90 pesos. For this caramel experience, on point yung caramel thickness mixed with its tea essence for this product. These are mango milk tea for large size, 110 pesos. For this drink, very refreshing. It has an outstanding quality, most especially for its mango flavor, sweetness, and puree. Sweet lychee for large size, 105 pesos. For this drink, it has a cold quencher and also refreshing drink, most especially for its sweet lychee. These are green apple fruit tea for large size, 105 pesos. For this drink, nag-well-balanced yung overall flavors, sweetness, and also for its bitterness for green apple essence. These are mango fresh milk for large size, 130 pesos. For this drink, it has a creamy quality, most especially for its milk base, perfect partner, and combination for its mango essence. These are Calamansi lemon Yakult For large size, 115 pesos. For this healthy drink, it has a good combination of citrus feel and zestiness for its lemon and calamansi mixed with its all-time favorite, Yakult flavor. If you're rating Manos, based on your experience, mga Ilonggo vloggers ang kasama ko, when it comes to your foods, services, drinks, we'll give it a perfect 10. For Mr. J, Iloilo, for all of their branches, ito naging consistent pa rin sila when it comes to their quality, services, and overall presentation when it comes to their products. Especially sa mga Ilonggo vloggers na kasama ko na first time nila matry yung products for Mr. J, Iloilo. At magpasalamat ako kay Biboy Vlog TV, Gelo Jack, and Heart. Thank you so much sa inyo for joining me and to be part of this wonderful experience. And also, thank you so much sa lahat kong bumubo, sa mga staff, owners, managers, at sa mga riders for Mr. J Iloilo, especially for new products. Once again, congratulations! And thank you to Mr. J Milktea Shakes Juices, Iloilo. Stay safe, Manos. See you on my next brand or tastes review here in the City of Love, Iloilo City. Bye!